Hello students, let us solve some typical questions of integration. Evaluate 1 upon sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. Its integrals we have to find out. So students, when this kind of question is there, we can use sin x plus y formula, or you can say sin a plus b formula. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b equals to sin a plus b. To make this formula, student, let us write here 1. 1 into sin x plus root 3 cos x. Now, student, I am going to suppose 1 equals to r cos alpha and root 3 equals to r sin alpha. Okay. Squaring and adding. So, it will be 1. Root 3 square will be 3. R square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. R square common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equals to 4. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equals to 1. So 4 equals to r square into 1. R square equal to 4. R equals to 2. Now students, question is why we have taken here r equals to 2, not plus minus 2. Because student, you can see 4 equals to r square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. All terms have square. It means it should be positive. Correct? That's why I have taken positive value here. So let us put r value in r cos alpha and r sin alpha. So it will be 1 equal to 2 cos alpha. So cos alpha equals to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is the value of cos 60. Cos 60 means cos pi by 3. Cos alpha equals to cos pi by 3. Correct? So root 3. Similarly, root 3 equals to r sin alpha. So root 3 equals to 2 sin alpha. Sin alpha equal to root 3 by 2. Sin alpha equal to sin pi by 3. Correct? Okay. Now students, I equals to, at the place of 1, we can write r cos alpha, r value 2 and alpha value root pi by 3. So at the place of 1 we can write 2 cos pi by 3, and at the place of root 3 we can write 2 sin pi by 3. So students, it will become 2 cos pi by 3 sin x plus 2 sin pi by 3 cos x. 2 is common. So cos pi by 3 sin x plus sin pi by 3 cos x. So it is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula means sin A plus B. Okay. So 1 upon sin A plus B equals to cosec A plus B. Okay. So I equal to 1 upon 2 integration of cosec A plus B. So cosec A theta integration log cosec x plus cot x plus c. That's why minus 1 upon 2 log cosec x plus pi by 3 plus cot x plus pi by 3 plus c. Okay students. So remember, when this kind of question is there, try to form formula of sin a plus b or cos a plus b to find out its integration. Let us solve one more question. Evaluate integration of 1 upon sine x plus a cos x plus b dx. Here students, sine and cos both are given in the form of multiplication. So we have to remove the sign of multiplication. Okay. So to remove it, I want to form formula of cos a plus b or cos a minus b in the numerator. That's why I have multiplying and dividing by the quotient is cos a minus b. So 1 upon cos a minus b, and at the place of numerator we can write cos a minus b. Denominator will remain as it is. Now students, to make the formula in the term of x plus a and x plus b, we can add here inside cos, adding and subtracting x inside cos. So adding and subtracting x, so a minus b plus x minus x. We have added and subtracted x here to make the formula of sin a x plus a and x plus b. Correct? So I equals to 1 upon cos a minus b. Student, we can write this term cos x plus a, both are positive, and we can take minus common from minus b and minus x. So both are positive, then minus x plus b. So this term we can write as cos x plus a minus x plus b in bracket. So we can apply here formula cos a minus b. We know that cos a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos x plus a cos x plus b plus sin x plus a into sin x plus b. At the place of a, we have to write x plus a, and at the place of b, we have to write x plus b. Okay. Now we can separate both of them. Cos x plus a into cos x plus b upon sin x plus a into cos x plus b plus sin x plus a sin x plus b upon sin x plus a cos x plus b dx. So I have separated both of them. Cos x plus b cancel, sin x plus a cancel. So it will be cos upon sin means cot. So cos x plus a upon sin x plus a equal to cot x plus a plus sin x plus b upon cos x plus b tan x plus b. So student, you can see in the quotient both are given in the form of multiplication, and to remove it we have to form formula of cos a minus b. Now student, you can see both the product sign has been removed. Okay, now we can find out easily its integration. So 1 upon cos a minus b, its integral log sin x plus a, cot x integration log sin x. At the place of x plus a is there. That's why we have to write here log sin x plus a. Similarly student, tan x integration. Tan x integral is minus log cos x or log sec x. Both are correct. So I am going to write here log cos x. So minus log cos x value is x plus b. So at the place of x we will write x plus b. So answer is 1 upon cos a minus b log sin x plus a minus log cos x plus b plus c. Okay students. So remember students, in integral questions try to remove the sign of multiplication and division. So to remove the sign of multiplication here in denominator, we have form formula of cos A minus root A plus B.